Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put the DJI Mic Mini settings. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and put the DJI Mic Mini settings. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and install the DJI Mic Mimo app. So it looks like this black icon here and it's called DJI Mimo. Next, go ahead and plug your DJI Mic Mini into your phone. And then once it's plugged in and connected, go ahead and open up the DJI Mimo app. Now on this app here, you're going to see this pop-up appear that says DJI Mic Mini detected. Click on Go to Settings. Then this right here is where you could actually access your DJI Mic Mini settings. So you can change the audio channel, you can change the transmitter, etc. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and put the DJI Mic Mini settings. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.